So I hear you like designing your old projects using a CAD program. Well, let me show you how to make a little drawer. A drawer that opens up and closes, and you can put your stuff in it. Yeah, you can do that. And I'm gonna show you how, for free, using Tinker Cad. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah! See ya! Okay, we're gonna make a drawer. Let's grab a block here. I want to make it, let's say 126 millimeters by, we'll go 89. Let's make it 50 tall. Yeah, there's a nice box there. I'm going to take this box, copy it, set it aside. I might use it later. So next, I'm going to make the inside. We're going to make the walls of this. So this is 126. We're going to make the walls 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 plus 3 is 6. I'm going to subtract that. So that's going to be 120. Same with the height. The height is 50. Well, we got to subtract 6 from that. Now the depth of the red block is 89. I want to take that and subtract 3 because I want the front open. What I'm going to do now is take my mouse and drag a box over these objects. Click a line up in the corner. And see this? I can align them just by touching these little tabs here. Now that it's centered, combine. How's that look? Now we need to make the inside. So I'm going to take this aside. I'm going to copy it. Put it over here. I'm going to make it a hole. Whoops. I said I'm going to make it a hole. Select our objects. Go up to a line again. And now we're going to make them in the center. Center them up. Yep, just like that. Now that they're both in line, use your mouse to select them. Go up to group them. So that's the size of the middle. Well, we got to hollow out the inside of here. And we're going to use a shaded square over here. So we're going to use this square cube as a hole. We're going to put it inside. That means I need to find the dimensions of the red box above and put them on our cube below, minus 3 for each side. So in my case, my depth is going to be 83 because the box on top was 86. And then my width is going to be 114 because the box on top was 120. And as far as the height goes, I'm only going to take off 3 because I want the top open. So I made it 41. Now I'm going to use my mouse to select both objects so I can align them. Yep. Now I'm going to click the tab to center on the front. Now I'll click the tab to center on the side. You know, maybe I want to bring that a little forward here. Click on that. And to bring it to the top, you click on this one. Time to select them both. And go up to group them. Yep. Now let's go grab one of those cubey things down here. Yep. A square cube. I'm going to use that for the front. But first, I got to write the dimensions of each one of these. Oh, that one. Write them on paper. Okay. Well, I want it as wide as the top box on the left, which is 126 millimeters. Yeah, let's check the size here. Well, the height of this one is 50, so I'm going to have to make mine like 47, which is 3 less, because you got to take out from the bottom here, you know. Where is that? Okay, 47. Now let's turn that baby around. Oh, it's a little too fat. We'll make that 3 because all the walls are 3. And now let's scoot this over here and get ready to align them. Ooh, looking good. Now let's select with our mouse and go up to align. Click on the tab to align to the front, turn it around, and click to center line. Yeah. Oh, let's look at it now. Oh, wait a second. It's hovering up in the air. We can't have that. Guess we're going to have to reselect this and realign it again. Realign it to the bottom. Here, press there, the bottom. There, see, now it's much better. Better's good. Now I'm going to select the top panel we just made, go up to duplicate up here in the corner, and we're going to move it, right in front of our little drawer thing here. Going to make it a hole. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to select both of them and go up to align. We got to align them. Let's get it just right at the front here. Center that. Make it go to the front and right here, this tab right there. Now we're going to take this, going to group them again, and look at that. Look at that. Now we need to select and group the drawers on the right. Well, you know, I think we need a drawer knob. You got to open it somehow. So let's grab a triangle here, put it in a workspace. And we need to flip it up like 90 degrees. What else do I need to... You know, I could flip it around 90 degrees too. Where's that flipper? There, 90 degrees. Now, we're going to have to take this and make it like 4 millimeters thick. Yeah. Well, now we're going to have to group this and align it. Go align. Let's turn this right in the center. And then, oh yeah. Now you can use the arrow keys and you can move it closer just so it's touching. Just so it's right there. So I'm going to spin this thing around here and select, go up to group. Now it's one piece, yeah. Oh, that's going to be awesome. Now that the drawer is made, we better save it. Go up to export. Then let's make it an STL file. Over in the right hand corner, it shows it's downloading. Well, let's go up to the download folder. And we're going to open it with Cura. That's our slicer. You can open it with your own slicer if you want, just saying. Alright, it's opening. Alright. See, I can turn this around like this. Or also I could go up here and, ooh, look, I can rotate them. Rotate. But I just want to rotate just one of the boxes. So let's just select this box. Oh, let's turn this around here. Go over to rotate. Turn this 90 degrees. And watch it pop up. So the reason I turn that 90 degrees is your printer would have a hard time printing. You can't print over air. Now let's go over and check our settings. Infill, 100%? No, I'm going to change mine to 20. It'll make it hollow, but it won't have to use so much stuff. Infill, grid, oh, well, let's see, speed. Oh, I think that's pretty good. Let's slice it. 19 hours and 40 minutes. I better speed up the video. The sound you heard was me putting the micro SD card in. Now let's save to removable. This printer's warming up. Let's put this SD card in it. Let's go. Now this particular printer has a VL touch and auto levels of bed. Kinda cool, huh? Oh goody, it's done! Let's take this off here. Now let's go assemble it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this brim off here. You can probably pull it off with your fingers. Or you can take a scissors and take it off. Look at that! Open, close, open, close! Put that in the garbage! I got me a drawer! put stuff in it. Where am I gonna put it? Oh, anyway. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. And if you have a comment, you should leave one in the comment section below. Yeah?